How are you doing in your learning and development goals? Are you getting there? What is your motivation to learn today? Curiosity, a specific target, or an overarching purpose? Whatever that is, one thing is sure, there is no other way to grow and develop without learning. Train for Development offers more than 100 off-the-shelf courses that are globally acclaimed. We cover a wide range of business process, leadership, and workplace fundamental skills. You can choose topics from our course library and request to schedule anytime. Your learning experience would elevate in a more informal, collaborative environment. You will listen, share, and reflect deeply on various interpretations to connect the dots, so that you can focus on improving your skills and broaden your future career options. Go to our website and book a course as per your need. I am Italali, a tech entrepreneur and a learning and development professional with decades of experience. I am very excited to work with you and help you achieve your learning goals in an affordable price. Let's get started.